Hey friends, coming to you from the studio. We're finishing up this segment on spousal maintenance. Thanks again for watching. I'll ask you to please like, subscribe, and share on any video platform where you see this. Leave me a question or comment on any video platform where you may see this, and I'll reply back to you in a direct video message, a direct message back to you, or both. So we're wrapping up this short bit on spousal maintenance. So spousal maintenance in the state of Texas under the Texas Family Code is a temporary thing. It is not, there are some statutory schemes in other states where it can last a long period of time, but short of disability or incapacity, this is a short window in the state of Texas. It's going to be capped out at a number of years, and the spouse who is ordered to pay the maintenance can come back and seek modification of it, especially if they have a change in a substantial and material change in their situation. In other words, they've got a financial hardship or some other business opportunity that is going to knock them down on their earnings for a little while. They can't afford whatever that maintenance order was, and they need that breathing room to reinvest and to get caught up with whatever's going on in their financial situation. So it's a short window, short of a showing that the spouse receiving the maintenance is either disabled or incapacitated, what have you. So it's not going to last forever. So don't get used to the maintenance support. The other thing is that once you're in a cohabitation, amorous relationship with another person, that maintenance can be challenged. That's considered a substantial and material change, thereby shutting off the maintenance dollars. So these are things to consider when there's been an award of maintenance. And, basically the bottom line is Texas is a place that is open for business. It is a place that believes in hard work, and that especially after a marriage has been divided and an original suit for divorce has gone all the way to its eventual end, and there's a final order on that divorce. Division of the property needs to occur, spousal maintenance needs to happen, and then at some point it needs to be finite. It needs to have an end. So again, it's not the easiest thing in the world to get. You have to support it with more than your own testimony. You have to actually show your inability to work because of diminished earning capacity, making a sacrifice, leaving a profession to be the homemaker, to be the mother or the father who's there at 3 o'clock every day. Have seen this in any multitude of cases where dad had a good job, mom had a better one, mom's career took off, dad took a different route, became an employee of a municipality, so where his availability at 7 a.m. when the school bus showed up and 3 o'clock when the school bus came back was the whole purpose of that. So diminished earnings entitling one spouse, the breadwinner spouse, to help out the other spouse who may have made that sacrifice for the benefit of the marriage. And that's what the purpose of it is for a short window to allow that person to reboot. It's not meant to be forever, and it certainly won't be. So again, it's a difficult thing to get. It's even easier to lose. I hope that if any of you who are viewing this or in this situation, that this video is helpful, enlightening, uplifting. That is what it is meant to be. I'll ask you to please like, subscribe, and share. Leave me a question or comment on any video platform where you see it. Thanks again for watching. More from the studio when we come back.